Hello everyone, welcome to the launch event for the Hikvision integrated solar power security solution. Solar powered and cable free, unlimited security. I'm Nicole from Hikvision. Right now, I'm standing in a place deep in the forest, which is a typical scenario for the solar power solution. First of all, why do we need the solar power security solution? In rural areas, especially remote areas, infrastructure is often under development, hampered by steep costs and long development periods. As a result, these places are often without grid electricity and broadband network, making traditional security system installation difficult, time-consuming, and costly. Aside from these, many sites require security protection on temporary or semi-permanent basis, such as construction sites, city events, incident commands, and more. Many of them are in off-grid locations and conditions. Besides, once the job is done or event finished, the security system is no longer needed. To address these challenges, Hikvision has created a portfolio of solar-powered products and solutions. Powered by solar energy and using 4G or wireless bridges to provide network data transmission, easily help you solve the problems. Let's take a look at the three main features of the Hikvision integrated solar power security solution, which is reliable, flexible, and unlimited. Why reliable? The Hikvision solar-powered products provide reliable power supply, remote power and data management, and strong performance in harsh environments. Traditional solar security solutions often consist of several separate and large parts, including solar panels, cameras, batteries, NVRs, switches, 4G routers, and so on. In order to ensure sufficient power supply, the traditional solution is to increase the solar panel area and battery capacity, but this can lead to a very heavy set of systems. So, is there a way to guarantee sufficient power supply while keeping the system lightweight? Don't worry, look at Hikvision's solution, ultra-low power consumption and lightweight. For the cameras, Hikvision has adopted an ultra-low power consumption design. The average power consumption of a conventional security camera is about 12 watts, while the power consumption of the camera in Hikvision's solar-powered setup can be as low as just 2 watts, saving 83% of power consumption. And because of the low power consumption, the battery and solar panel can be smaller and lighter under the same range requirements. So the solution is more lightweight. For example, for the same range requirement, the overall weight of the traditional solution is 35 kilograms, while the Hikvision's product only needs 15 kilograms. In scenarios such as forests and farms, solar-powered cameras are often installed in remote locations. In this case, customers may worry about the power and 4G data of the camera. Will the camera suddenly run out of power? Will the 4G fees be too high? How can customers know in advance and avoid problems? To achieve such remote management, come and see how easily Hikvision's solar-powered cameras can do it. Firstly, the battery in the solar-powered camera comes with intelligent power management hardware, and the camera preview interface can display the battery in real time, which is convenient for remote management. To achieve the same function, other DIY solutions on the market need to be paired with special controllers, while the camera side has to be customized accordingly, which is difficult to achieve. When the power is low, the solar camera also supports automatically switching to power saving mode and sending low battery alarms. Users can receive the alarm in real time. In addition, we also support 4G data and battery reports. Users can view reports on the platform remotely. What if the solar camera encounters harsh environment? No problem. Hikvision solar camera supports up to IP67 waterproof, wind resistance of 12 levels, low temperature -20 degrees Celsius work. Let's watch the video one by one. The solar camera supports IP67 waterproof, and it can still work normally in heavy rain, so you can monitor at home with peace of mind. For wind resistance, we simulated a Category 12 typhoon in a laboratory environment with an industrial blower. Under normal installation conditions, the solar-powered camera could remain solid even in the face of hurricane winds. Extremely low temperatures, no problem. Frigid winter temperatures can cause ordinary batteries to lose power or go completely inoperable, especially in higher altitudes. Hikvision solar-powered camera setups are designed with batteries that operate at temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Solar power products not only have very reliable capabilities, but also are very flexible, including flexible monitoring coverage, flexible deployment, and flexible maintenance. The range and angle that a fixed focus camera can cover is limited. It is difficult to achieve monitoring for large outdoor scenes with only one camera, and it often has blind spots. Hikvision offers a variety of solar power products to shoot different scenarios. In addition to fixed focal length cameras, we also have varifocal camera, supporting 2.8 to 12 or 8 to 32 mm focal lengths. One camera can cover a much longer distance than fixed focal cameras. And PT camera supports pan movement 0 to 340 degrees, tilt movement -5 to 105 degrees, can monitor different orientation flexibly as needed. And also PTZ camera supports 25 times optical zoom, can see the details in the distance after zooming in. Next, traditional solar DIY solutions and other solar kit manufacturers usually adopt high-capacity batteries. A single high-capacity battery is used to power a whole system. This can lead to two problems. One is that large-capacity batteries are often considered dangerous goods in transport. Secondly, it is not convenient in the maintenance. Trouble with high-capacity batteries. Now Hikvision has specially designed modular batteries that can easily solve these problems. Each modular battery is less than 100 Wh, making it easy to transport. And the modular design makes it easy to plug in and out. Multiple modular batteries can be inserted in one solar kit. When a battery fails, a single modular battery can be replaced individually without interrupting the monitoring, without affecting the work of other batteries. Another pain point is that when 4G fails, someone needs to go to the site and climb up to the camera for troubleshooting. This is very inconvenient and unsafe. Network problems, no need to climb high. 4G solar powered varifocal bullet is very easy to maintain. It supports Wi-Fi debugging under installation point when 4G connection fails. Hikvision solar products also have the characteristic of not being limited. Is it just regular video security? No. Various scenarios, NPR, IQ-Sense, radar and PIR detection, and more, multiple intelligence functions fitting into various settings. NPR is suitable for scenarios such as remote roads and outdoor parking lots for license plate recognition, and IQ-Sense is suitable to the perimeter of farms, orchards, etc. for precise alarming of human and vehicle targets. As for PIR and radar dual detection, it is a technology designed specially for small-capacity solar-powered products, which are suitable for scenarios where only occasional monitoring is required, such as residences, plantations, and only wake up the camera for monitoring when there is a detected moving object. Why do we specifically design PIR and radar dual detection instead of using the common PIR detection? The principle of PIR detection is that objects with heat sources within a certain range will trigger an alarm, in the outdoor environment, when the temperature is slightly higher, the environment leaves, wind, etc. trigger a lot of PIR false alarms, which will constantly wake up the camera, wasting battery power, resulting in a much shorter battery life. To solve such problems, Hikvision's newly released solar-powered cameras uses dual detectors, PIR and radar dual detection. PIR detection will work first, while the radar will verify on the results of PIR detection, thus greatly reducing false alarms and improving the battery life. In addition to the above intelligence, what if you have other needs? Right now, with Hikvision Solar Power Kit, you can customize your own solar power system quickly and easily. The Solar Power Kit can power a variety of products such as security network cameras, radar units, LED displays, and more. Custom solar systems meet your unique needs and applications. In addition, you may be concerned about the nighttime images in outdoor scenarios. Hikvision solar cameras support dark fighter and color view technologies in different product models. Color view technology uses f1.0 large aperture and highly sensitive sensor to provide 24 hours colorful image. And dark fighter technology adopts large sensor and IR supplemental light, which is more invisible compared to white light. Okay, in summary, solar-powered cameras are reliable, flexible, and unlimited. Hikvision has recently released various new product models, including solar-powered varifocal, PTC, PT, or dual detection camera, solar power kit, modular battery, etc. For more details, you are welcome to check Hikvision's website. Apart from solar-powered products, Hikvision also offers a whole solution. There are 3 sub-solutions. For standalone sites, we have designed 4G solution and wireless bridge solution. For temporary scenarios, we have customized mobile solar security tower solution. Let me show them one by one. For some places like remote roads, farmlands, etc., there are no power cords and internet cables. If customers want to deploy conventional cable-based CCTV systems, obviously the high infrastructure cost is a critical issue. Well, for those scenarios, we can use solar power to power the cameras and use 4G cameras or wireless bridge products for wireless data transmission. The first option is the 4G solution. Let's take the remote road as an example to see how we achieve the protection. For remote roads, we recommend the ANPR setup to detect and recognize passing vehicle information. Besides, for adapting to various scenarios, we offer multiple setups for customers to choose. Cable-free and all-in-one design offer ease of installation. All of these will help our customers save tons of time and money for security system deployment. It has a built-in 4G module using 4G signals for data transmission, so this solution has no distance limit. The operators in the monitor center can easily live view, play back, receive, and handle alarms in real time. But some of you may be curious about, for some rural areas, if there are no or poor 4G signal, or if the 4G data fee is unaffordable, what should we do then? We hope that there is one solution that can create a small network. Besides, it would be nice if it does not require data fees. Our wireless bridge can perfectly solve these problems. A pair of wireless bridges are just like 2 terminals of a long virtual network cable. One connected to the camera outdoor, and the other can be placed in the area with internet wiring. And users do not need to pay for any extra data fee. That is amazing. But different from 4G data transmission has no distance limit. The wireless bridge supports maximum 15 km. In addition, after solving the tough issue of power supply and data transmission, other conventional cameras can also be used working with our solar power kit and wireless bridge. Obviously, this creative combination can offer users more possibilities. Emergencies. If you live in a village, you have raised some farm animals. but you are worried that it will be stolen. No worries. With the wireless bridge solution, you can lie down at home and control everything. Let's draw a conclusion. For standalone site protection, Hikvision solar-powered camera products have large capacity solar panels and batteries and multiple low power consumption modes that can provide long-term video protection. Cable-free and all-in-one design offer customers easy and low-cost installation. 4G module and wireless bridge easily achieve wireless data transmission, and we offer multiple camera options for various scenarios. In some temporary control scenarios like outdoor parking lots, and some temporary events, constructions, temporary activities, etc., here are some pinpoints. Generally speaking, in many temporary areas, there is no infrastructure. Second, for temporary activities, the deployment time and costs are always limited. Third, conventional security system does not have mobility and is complicated in deployment and disassembly. Our mobile solar security tower solution offers users a fast and flexible solution for temporary deployment. Let's take a quick look at the components of the mobile solar security tower. Here we can see that each mobile tower has a solar panel for power supply and uses the wireless bridge for data transmission, and mobile cabinet to place the switch, NVR, and the battery inside. The network speaker is for video and audio linkage to combine the network speaker with CCTV for higher protection. And for network cameras, we have a total of 3 options for more application scenarios. The compact mobile tower design and support for pre-installation. If you want to protect the construction site, you can easily move the mobile solar security tower to the site and complete the installation in minutes. The tower covers 360-degree coverage with different distance protection. The manager can easily know what is going on in the site. For temporary control scenarios, our all-in-one mobile solar security tower solution uses solar power panel and wireless bridge for data transmission, reducing cable deployment costs. Second, the whole tower is movable, fast, and flexible for temporary deployment. Third, we offer multiple camera options for different coverage distance. Okay, with these 3 sub-solutions, I believe Hikvision's integrated solar power security solution can offer you an unlimited security. Next is our live demo part. Welcome my colleague, Polly.
Thanks, Nico. I'm Polly. Next, let's get a closer look at how great our solar-powered products and solutions are. As Nico mentioned, we have diverse solar-powered products for various scenarios, and from the left to the right are dual detection camera, PT camera, varifocal bullet camera. This is the varifocal bullet camera setup. It uses the solar panel and the batteries to power the camera. It has built-in 4G module for 4G transmission. If you want to use the wireless bridges for data transmission, you can just close the 4G module. Our camera has a DC 12-volt output port, so it can power the wireless bridge directly. What you need to do is just use a network cable to connect the camera and the wireless bridge. Then it can send data to the monitoring center. Let's contact Colin to see if he can see what's going on at our site. Hi, Colin. Can you see us?
Yeah, Pony, I can see you. Very clearly. I like your shirt. It looks so nice.
Thanks, Colin. Next, I hope you can help me to do a small test to see how reliable our solar-powered products are.
Sure, my pleasure.
We have adopted modular batteries, which is very convenient for shipment, operation, and maintenance. Even if our battery is damaged occasionally, our camera setup supports battery hot swap. That means even though we are swapping the batteries, the camera can still work. Don't believe it? Let's contact our witness, Colin. It's really convenient, I have to say. What you need to do is just open the battery box. Take out the dead one. and insert a new one. That's all.
This is so good, Penny. I like this design.
Yeah, this function is really user-friendly, and I have a surprise for you.
Really? What's that? Hey, what are you doing?
This is the surprise. All our solar-powered products are all IP67 waterproof level. That means they can all work well, even in harsh environments. I just want to show you how great they are.
Yeah, I see. Very impressive.
Thanks for Colin's help. And I believe with Hikvision's reliable solar-powered products, we can offer you unlimited security. Hi, Nico. That's all about the lifetime part.
Thanks, Polly. With Hikvision's reliable products and solutions, I believe Hikvision can offer you solar-powered and cable-free, unlimited security. That's the end of the launch event. Keep follow our Hikvision website and social media to find more possibilities. See you!